everyone, Tom Gerlecki, Kriete Truck Center up in Green Bay. Let's take a look at this truck today. It's a 2026 MACK MD6, gray in color. This one is dialed up just a little bit. Chrome grille, chrome bumper, chrome mirrors, aluminum wheels. It's 255 rubber on this one. 55-gallon aluminum fuel tank. It's a 217-inch wheelbase, which gives you a 150-inch cab to axle. Air ride driver's seat and a bench passenger seat. Air ride cab, standard on all MACK medium duties. Air ride rear suspension. Underbody exhaust. This truck is for sale outright. If you'd rather lease, we can help you with that. If you need help financing, we can help you with that. Once again, thank you for checking in with Kriete Truck Centers. You can look us up at KrieteTrucks.com or call any one of our 10 dealerships. Thank you.